Today, the Supreme Court rendered a decision on the DOMA. DOMA is the Defense of Marriage Act of 1996 that prevents the federal government from recognizing same-sex unions as marriages and therefore has prohibited the federal government from offering them benefits. DOMA passed in the Congress 427 to 81. The question before the Supreme Court was not only should a man be allowed to marry a man or should a woman be allowed to marry a woman, but it was also a question of whether those couples should become eligible for federal benefits. The court ruled to overturn the Defense of Marriage Act and to allow federal benefits to gays and their partners. Employers will be forced to change their benefit plans. Last year, President Obama instructed the Justice Department to no longer defend the constitutionality of the Defense of Marriage Act. 33 states have affirmed marriage as between one man and one woman. An overwhelming majority of Americans have voted for this, even in some of the most liberal states. This is the most important social issue of our time. Genesis 2:24 was the beginning of the family, but now it is in serious peril. Christians must do what we can to preserve the institution of marriage. But we have seen it many times. Anyone who stands in the way of the gay agenda is marginalized. Secularists hate democracy. DOMA passed in Congress, and Proposition 8 in California was passed by a majority of the people. The courts are overstepping their boundaries. Proponents of the gay lifestyle have been successful at electing liberal-minded judges. Statistics show that more than 75% of Christians don't even vote. It's time for Christians to be active. Our country is suffering because of the breakdown of the family. We can see it in the obvious increase in truancy, drug use, crime, and many other areas. Will the passage of gay marriage make a difference in our country? Yes. There will be a loss of parental rights. Schools will be instructed to teach the benefits of the gay lifestyle, and churches will be forced to accept gays as their pastors and leaders. This is an enormous storm. We encourage you to be praying as always. We urge you to take action in the political process. If you have any questions about how you can get involved, please call us at 484-999-7551.